This song is by the Eagles. It's called Seven Bridges Road.
There are stars in the southern sky, southward as you go. There is moonlight and moss in the trees down the Seven Bridges Road. Now I have loved you like a baby, and like some lonesome child, and I have loved you in a tame way, and I have loved you wild. Sometimes that part of me has to turn from here and go, running like a child from these warm stars down the Seven Bridges Road. There are stars in the southern sky, and if you